I'm Danita Fleming and welcome to Lighten Up for Life. Mission Health System is proud to present this challenge again for the third year in a row. Mission Health System's Lighten Up for Life program continues to gain popularity within our community and across our region. It's an important program to our health system because of the growing problem with obesity. There's something that we all can do about obesity, and that's exercise regularly and eat right. The benefits of healthy eating and regular exercise may reduce your use of certain medications. It may improve your cardiovascular function and reduce your blood pressure and cholesterol. It also may improve the way you feel mentally and physically. Lighten Up for Life is a 16-week free exercise and weight loss challenge. Anyone can participate, and you can join with your family, your friends, your co-workers, or you can compete as an individual. Today, over 6,300 people have participated in Lighten Up for Life and lost a total of almost 40,000 pounds. There's great prizes for the winning team, but the ultimate prize for participating in Lighten Up for Life is a healthier you and a healthier community. This year, you can help yourself, Manna Food Bank, and the community by going online at Pound for Pound Challenge. Once you go online and pledge a certain number of pounds to lose, General Mills will donate 14 cents per pound to Manna Food Bank. So go online today and sign up at lightenup4life.com.